Hello guys, this is another quick video to show you the log chart and the financial chart. So if I just type in log chart, we will be able to get, there we go. So you're looking at a very simple chart. Everything is customizable. The time length, whether it's in a log form, whether it's in a non-log form, the color of the candlesticks, your different time range is all here, as you can see. Weekly, the different time ranges again here. If you wish to look at different things, um, if you wish to look at drawing different chart patterns, they're all here as well. Just going to find, so we can choose toolbars. There's many different things here. You can do subcharts, absolutely anything and everything that you've seen on any other rival platform you can do as well. Here you have regression lines, spread lines, trend channels, grand fans. Half of these things I don't even know what they are. So you can got your Fibonacci's, we got your standard lines here, analysis. You can edit analysis, you can insert analysis, and here you can see every single type of technical analysis. Half of these I don't even know what they are. I'm not too big on my TA, but I do use it a little bit. But the Metastock's actual trading platform did start off out as a technical analysis only. So these guys really know their technical analysis and have every single part of technical analysis on the platform. Um, if you go to the actual Metastock official YouTube channel, they heavily go into the technical analysis. But I think technical analysis is important, but you shouldn't get carried away with it. More stick with the fundamentals, and you can see how many different types there are. You just click on them, and they will display, and then you have many different editing points you can hear. You can edit the different types of RSI, ATR, things like that. You can edit the color schemes. You can have different event markers. Absolutely anything and everything is possible. Um, so yeah, you can change it from bar lines, candlesticks, point and figures, whatever you're used to looking at. It can all be done. So that's the log chart, and you can save templates and open up templates, etc. It's very simple to use, and yeah, TA is not hard to learn and not hard to understand. And then you can save these charts, and they'll be saved forever. So that's the log chart. I prefer to use when I'm looking at, say, fundamental data, is the financial charts, and we should have one here. Believe, yep, that should be it. So this is the financial chart, and just to give you an idea of how powerful this thing is, there's the financial chart there. You can go to, say, max, and yeah, it goes back forever. So if we go for the last 20 years and say we want to compare it to, say, the XLI, which is the industrials ETF. Okay, so now we'll have in purple the XLI there. Great. But what if we want to look at relative performance? So now we can click on relative performance, and it will give you a spread between the two. And we can do it the other way around. So where XLI is the base case. There we go. And so we can say, we can get rid of the rebasing there, go back and go to absolute price. And we're looking, and we can have both of them there. Again, both on. We can look at total return, relative performance. Yep, like we've just seen, rebasing. There we go. And we can see, yeah, XLI has outperformed over time. So what else can we do? So we've got two things there. Just say we want to put, I don't know, ISM manufacturing against it. And so now we can see the ISM. We shouldn't be rebasing, we should be doing absolute. And so now we can see the ISM versus different tickers on here as well. So not only can you compare actual prices of different stocks, different ETFs, different indices, you can also compare them to different economic indicators. and pretty much anything with a RIC code can be displayed in here. So this becomes really powerful if you want to compare certain stocks to certain fundamental data, just say consumer sentiment of a certain nation, or housing permits, or PMIs, whatever it is, versus X, Y, or Z stock. It's very, very simple, very, very easy to use. You can also, so if I just type in, say, let's say Las Vegas Sands, LVS, and if I remove the other tickers, you can click on this arrow here and you can change all different things here. But if you click on peers, you can just quickly find the peers, who they're competing against. Let's pick, say, the top four or so, and we'll do it via market cap. And we'll just click in these as well. So we've got the top 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go with just 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. And we click, oh, let's just stick win as well because they're a big name. We click OK. So now you can compare LVS Sands, which will be in orange, versus the rest of the sector. That looks like a big jumble, but if we just click off a few to make it a bit more easier to look at, and then we can see who's outperformed most at the time, and that is MAR OQ there, and the other one would be RCL, but they're both having a bit of a tough time as it is recently. But over the last 20 years or so, sorry, since 2013, we can see who's been the biggest outperformers in this relative sector. So that it does become very easy to compare between peers and industries uh, and different sectors fairly quickly. If we go back to total return, yeah, so we can see on the MAR is the clear winner, has been an absolute outperformer. So, okay, hopefully that's been helpful, guys, showing you the two different charts here. I tend to stick to the financial chart, but I do use the log chart as well for some technical analysis. Um, if this video has been helpful, please do like, share, and subscribe. As always, if you're interested in looking at Metastock, there is an offer associated with this video that is 3 months for the price of one. That's 99 US dollars. Please do use the referral link in the description below, and please try out Eikon. Okay, guys, see you in the next video.